Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys do not disturb mode. How can we on and off in our vivo phone? Guys, you want to on guys your do not disturb, so as you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your do not disturb mode. And guys, scroll it guys, click on your sound setting, tap here. Again guys, you can see your do not disturb, so guys tap here, and guys you can on your do not disturb from here. So after on guys, you cannot listen guys your like bell, like ringtone, like notification sound ringtone. And guys, you can see guys this icon on your screen. And guys, you want to off it, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off do not disturb mode in our vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.